BiBi, an electric car. One day, Mr. Electric Car was late for work. He was in a big hurry and forgot to change his battery. And that put our friend Mr. Electric Car into a lot of trouble. On the halfway to work, the battery has run out. Mr. Electric Car was stuck and couldn't move anymore. He had no other choice but to call Mr. Tow Truck. Looks like it's time to go to BiBi's workshop.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
BiBi came to work early in the morning and was expecting customers. BiBi noticed the tow truck and saw the electric car right behind him. They came in and BiBi said,
"Hey guys, what happened?"
And so Mr. Electric Car told BiBi that he was in a hurry and that his battery has run out midway to work. BiBi told Mr. Electric Car there was nothing to worry about and that he knows what to do.
Don't worry, we'll fix ya. Isn't that right, you guys? Where should we start? To charge the battery, we should pick up the right charger. I need your help. Will you guys help me choose the right charger?
How about this one?
Nah, no way. It's triangular.
Maybe this one?
Nope, this one's too long. It won't fit.
This one then.
All right, we got it. Now let's get you fully charged. Hey, hold on a second.
Mr. Electric Car forgot that he scratched the door when he was parking one time.
What are those scratches on your door? We must remove the scratch at once. You don't want to get all rusty, do you, electric car? Okay, let's look what kind of paint we got. Hey guys, will you help me to pick up the right paint? It must be the same color as the car.
This one?
Oh no, this one is orange. It's brighter than red.
Is it this one then?
Nah, this one's too dark.
Must be this one.
That's right, just what we need. Now we can fix your scratches. Oh! All right, now you're fixed, charged, and ready to go. Now listen to me. You should always fully charge your battery. And never leave things for later.
Mr. Electric Car was happy. He thanked BiBi and was on his way back home. Now our friend Electric Car knows it should always do things beforehand and never leave them for later. Thanks, BiBi!
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
The fastest car. Today is a very unusual day for BiBi because today he takes part in a special contest for the fastest car in history. Hey BiBi, are you excited?
Of course.
Look, here it comes. Uh-oh, shouldn't he slow down?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh no!
Wowzers!
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Oh my! Looks like this is a very unlucky day for our record maker. To set the new world record, he should be able to speed up. But he can't do that without one of his motors. Also, he needs a new drop parachute to slow down and stop. BiBi, can you help?
Of course! I hope you guys will help me too. As you know, motor is a very important part of the car. To make this car go as fast as possible, it has to have a turbofan, but it burned out. So we need to get in a new one.
Is this a turbofan?
No, this isn't turbofan. It's just a fan. But it's so hot in here, I could sure use one.
What about this?
I think this one's for different kinds of rackets.
Well, what about this?
Of course, that's turbofan. Okay, now we need to find a drop parachute so that the car can stop when it's needed.
Must be this one.
No, it's a toy chute. We need a real one.
How about this?
Wow, it's very pretty, but it's not what we're looking for.
How about this one?
Sure, it's big enough, and it sure is firm. Let's get rid of those scratches. That's better. Hey, buddy, are you worried? You shouldn't be. I'm sure you'll break the racket now. Don't worry, it'll be all right.
And everyone is very excited about the new record for the fastest car. Looks like it's going well. Great speed. Is this really gonna happen? A little bit more. Almost there. Hooray! Ladies and gentlemen, you've just witnessed a historic moment. The new world record for the fastest car has
Woohoo!
just been set.
Congratulations! What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
BiBi on the moon.
Hey guys, welcome back to my workshop. I just bought something really cool. Look, it's a spanner. Oh, 1 second. BiBi's workshop, BiBi speaking.
Hello, this is Pilot Belkin speaking. We have trouble on the moon. Our moonwalker broke down. It can't move. We heard you're a great master of your craft. Perhaps you could come and help us.
Oh, I don't know really. I've never been on the moon before.
That's okay, we'll send for you.
Really? Wow, that's so cool. I always wanted to see the moon. How you gonna get me there?
You decide. Just tell us, and we'll get you there.
Oh, great! Let me write it all down. Well, okay. Option 1. I want an Iron Man costume. He's so cool. Option 2. Military fighter plane. That would be awesome. It has guns and many cool features. And if aliens attack me, I can strike back. Option 3 is of course a rocket, but that's kind of dull. It's like you're sitting in there trapped. Hey, what do you think, guys? How should I get to the moon?
Okay, I checked your list and I can tell you this. Iron Man costume is out of the question. There isn't enough air to get you to the moon.
Bummer.
Fighter plane is also a bad idea. Not enough fuel.
Too bad. Then there's only rocket option.
Yep, you can only get there by rocket. The launch is tomorrow morning. Be ready.
Okay.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start! Okay, let's go! Wow, that is awesome! Ah, the moon! Gotta land! I should check the safety belts. Phew! Looks like all good. Now I need my spacesuit and those oxygen cylinders. I'm sure you guys know that there's no air on the moon. That's why all spacemen use oxygen cylinders. Hooray! I'm on the moon! Whoa! I'm so light, it feels awesome! Woohoo! Great! Hey guys, you know how can I jump so high? 'Cause the moon is smaller than the planet Earth, and I weigh much less. I'm so light. There's the moonwalker. Okay, let's see what happened to you. Ah, I think I get it. There's some moon dust on the solar panel right there. I should fix it right away. This is a solar panel. When the sun hits the panel, it creates an electric charge. That's what makes its motor run. Now the dust covers the panel, so the light can get through and charge the battery. Let's figure out how to clean up that solar panel, you guys. I have 3 options. First one is a bucket of water with a wipe. Second option, take a spare oxygen cylinder and blow away the dust. And the last option is just take a wipe and clean it up. Just like your mom does it at home. I want to try all of them. Let's see which option is more suitable. All right. Let's get down to business. Oh my, the water froze. I kind of forgot that it's actually freezing cold out here on the moon. Well, all right, let's use our spare oxygen cylinder instead. Whoa! Oh, no, no, no! Ah! Oh, no! Phew! So scary! I forgot I weighed much less here. All this oxygen got me so high. Word of advice for you guys: never touch gas cylinders. It's dangerous. Okay, let's just wipe the dust off the solar panel once and for all. But it must be dry, so that water don't freeze immediately. It is so cold out here. Almost done. All right. Good as new. Hello? BiBi to Earth. Can you hear me? This is BiBi.
Hearing you loud and clear. How are you?
Mission accomplished. You can turn it on now. Hooray! I fixed the Moonwalker. Coming back to Earth. Warm and green, where the plants are growing. Woohoo! It's so cool we got a chance to go to the moon, right guys? And it's a good thing we fixed that Moonwalker. What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.